In this video, I'll show you how you can measure the blood oxygen levels on your OnePlus Watch 4. Now, first thing first, you have to wear your watch and you ensure that it's fit on your hand, on your wrist. And then from here, from the watch face, simply press the crown button once to access all the application, and then find the blood oxygen app, which is denoted by the oxygen symbol, which is O2, and tap on it. And then from here, you'll be prompted on what you need to do so that it can measure your blood oxygen levels. And then once you have done everything that is required, you should get to this section. And then all you have to do is tap on start. And then it takes 30 seconds to measure your blood oxygen level. So allow your watch to measure your blood oxygen level. And then once it's done, it should give you a result. So let's just wait. And as you can see, that's my blood oxygen level, which is at 96%. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you on the next one.